Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to uninstall Microsoft 365 from Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is tap on this Windows icon and then click on this setting. Once you will get access to your computer setting, on the left side you will see multiple options. From these you have to tap on the option apps. Once you will click on it, tap on the first option, installed apps. In this section, you will see all the apps which are installed in your computer, and here you can see 69 apps are found. Now here you have to write the name of that app which you want to uninstall from your computer. Just for example, I will write 365, and as you can see, this one is the Microsoft 365 Copilot because I already installed that software, so that's why it's not here. But when you see that you have to do the same, simply tap on these three dots and then tap on the option Uninstall. Once you will tap on the option Uninstall, this software will be uninstalled. And at last, click on your Windows icon and hit the power button and restart your computer. Once you will restart your computer, that software will be completely gone from your PC, and that's it.